What up, everybody? I'm gonna eat this fat cupcake, vanilla cupcake I got for my birthday, and then we're gonna go down there and fish for a little bit. So I'm gonna get my pole out. I'm gonna put that back here. But yeah, I don't know. I might just take the whole tackle box down there. I need to get my water. Big ass water. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. God, this thing's gonna be fucking awesome. Yo! Oh my God, look how much freaking cream is on that. Let me wet the chute first. Oh my gosh. So good. This is literally my lunch because I don't have anything else. Oh. Dude, that's good. It's got cream on the inside too, bruh. How many calories in this? 390! Holy fuck! Oh my God, it's so sweet. Gotta finish it off. Holy shit, that is sweet. Alright then, let's go catch some bass. Yeah, hopefully y'all are doing a freaking amazing day, bro. It's beautiful, nice, blue sky, some clouds over there. Humidity is pretty low. Of course, if I'm running around, yes, I'm gonna be sweaty, but hell, just even being around and stuff, walking, ain't that bad. Alright, so I did see when I came through here this morning, there was splashing all around this part. Hopefully, there's another snake. There's another snake. Literally, as I saw, it's up against the wall over there. Yep. He's going down that left side. Oh, there's the snake. It's coming. Oh hell. See if we can touch it. There it goes. Oh, it went down in the water. Oh, it's the dude that's driving it. Her brother. It was a pretty small snake. They ain't too big. Oh, there it is again. Yep, no ropes. Sneaking out, he was in the rocks. Geese shit everywhere. What the? I got snagged. I thought I had a fish on it. There might have been something on that. Kind of debating to put on a Senko. I think I might. Use one of these. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use one of these. It helps if I put it on right. Okay, so the real question is, does this look good in the water? Of course, you give it a little twitch. If there's something there that wants it, it's gonna bite it. Would it? This water's probably real warm now up close. I get one I haven't used. Basically all of them. This don't catch them, I don't know what will. This way. Oh, right in the damn rock. There we go. Stay hooked, baby. Stay hooked. Stay hooked. Stay hooked. Stay hooked. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, frickin' sir. Yes, sir. Stop. You ain't gonna get it out. It's okay. Yes. Little chunker. Little chunker. I'll take it. Yes, sir. There you go. I should have let it in slowly. As soon as it hit the water, I felt it tug. I was like, oh yeah, there she goes. Actually, there's one on the left side of that log though. I'm gonna cast over there. Turn my fan on. I don't think I need this. It's just nice. Nice to have. Feels good. Maybe there wasn't one on the left side of that. Let's try the same spot. The other one. Yep. Damn. They're hooked up right there. Oh! 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 That's a good one. That's a good one. Oh my god. That's a good one. Oh my god. That's the biggest one yet. Here. Oh my god. Oh my god! Yo, that's the biggest one here I caught. Oh my god. Check her out, guys. Oh my god. It's beautiful. Thank you. Thank you. There you go. Oh, that's sweet. I love it. Oh, I love it. That's awesome. Yes. It was probably about a pound and a half. Hey, I still take it though. Oh my gosh. God, that's awesome. No way. No way. They're stacked up right there. No way. No way. No freaking way. Oh my God. Stacked up, bro. Check it out. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. It's gonna go right back. Caught 3. Same spots. Same spots. He's back. Yo, 3 bass back to back, bro. That's freaking awesome. Yes. Oh, another one. Yes. Let's go. Stay hooked. Stay hooked. Stay hooked. Stay hooked. Stay. Yeah. Oh my gosh. 4 of them. 4 bass. That's awesome. Oh my God. Yo. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. There you go. Get a nice soft release. Oh my God, guys. Yo. That's freaking sick. Let's see if we can get another one in that spot. I think we can, but the odds are, I don't know. All right. Right side. Oh, right there. Soft landing into the water. Perfect. That is perfect. I can't get any better than that. Alright, so I'm going to try to go far right. Oh, yeah. Oh, stay hooked, stay hooked, stay hooked, stay hooked. Stay hooked, stay hooked, stay hooked. Stay underwater, stay underwater, stay underwater. There you go, there you go. Yes. Yeah. Got him. Gotcha. Gotcha. They're stacked up on that freaking bank, bro. Yeah. Woo! Yes, sir. A little bit bigger. I like it. Little belly. Pretty good. There you go. It's going right back to where it was. Yeah. Let's go, baby. I called it too. Called it. Let's freaking go. love this. Love it. Oh my god. Y'all, my heart is freaking going. Let's see. See if we can get a reading. Last 7 minutes ago was 112. 91 beats per minute. So it's still up there. Oh man, I love this. Yeah, hopefully y'all are having a good time, enjoying the video. If you're liking it, definitely like it, comment, subscribe so you see more fishing, everything nice. This will be on my fishing channel and my main channel, because why not? Gosh, this is awesome. Hopefully we can get another bigger one like that. That's perfect. There's a bass right here eating. Or no, those might be shiners. I'm not sure what those are. It might be shiners because they are going sideways and they're doing their flashing shit. See if we can get any bites down this. Oh, too far. Alright everybody, that's going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I definitely had a blast making this. If you guys want to see more content fishing, definitely subscribe, like, and comment. Definitely put that out for you this summertime. But yeah, I got plenty of other videos I got to get edited and out to you guys. So, but yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day into the weekend. And I'll see you guys in the next video. So enjoy these last little bits of this video. Peace out. Pretty decent ones. So, but yeah, till next time, y'all. Definitely like, comment, and subscribe. And then see you guys in the next video. Peace out.